The next question is on civil rights, starting with Christine. Massachusetts has been at the forefront on a number of issues around equality and civil rights. What are some ongoing civil rights issues that you would use a seat in the House to address? Some are making the case that immigration and how we treat undocumented residents is also a civil rights issue. Do you agree?
Sorry, can you read the beginning?
Sure. Massachusetts has been at the forefront on a number of issues around equality and civil rights. What are some ongoing civil rights issues you would use a seat in the House to address? Some are making the case that immigration and how we treat undocumented residents is also a civil rights issue. Do you agree?
There are a number of civil rights issues that still face the Commonwealth, although I am proud that we have been a leader. I'm a strong supporter of marriage equality and proud that our state was a leader in that area. Another place that Carl has done some incredible work and that I would continue if elected is in ending discrimination to transgender people. In my healthcare work, as working in an advocacy organization, my organization, we have helped to organize numerous groups in Massachusetts, and I'm proud to say we just won on a number of fronts to end health discrimination against transgender individuals. We just heard about that about a week ago. There's a lot more to do for that population, and it's a population that really doesn't have a voice, and we need advocacy at the state level. I definitely include undocumented immigrants as a civil rights issue. This is, again, a population that does not have a voice at the state level and can often be scapegoated for a number of issues. I am very proud that our mayor of Somerville recently created an executive order that would prevent people from being deported for when they're not actually committing criminal acts. And I hope that that Somerville will be a leader and that we can enact the Trust Act throughout the Commonwealth.
Sharon, 2 minutes.
No, I think I have it. The matter of civil rights, I was a advocate for an activist in the marriage equality movement. One of the first things I did was help get Carl elected during his first campaign and all his subsequent campaigns. That doesn't mean the battles have all been won for the LGBT community. LGBTQ community. We do need to continue our work, pushing through any and all issues that are still left to be done. I know that in Medford we are working on a ordinance to include public accommodations in our human rights, banning discrimination of gendered identity, for gender identity, basically for transgender people. This needs to be across the state. And I feel strongly that all individuals within our state have the right to health care, shelter, health care. I looked at my notes, that was a mistake. And so, yes, I do consider immigrants and undocumented immigrants not having a voice being a violation of human rights, basically. Recently, this past summer, New York was examining the what they called New York is Home Act, which would grant citizenship at the local level. And I think that would be something we should look at as well.